Hi friends, on your device screen you can see on the right side a YouTube video is being played and on the left side words are being typed. This is not me typing it, but is being done automatically from the voice coming out of the YouTube video with the help of a voice typing tool. So in a similar way, you can get to automatically type any content from the audio and video which you prefer to use. And this can be done for any language. So if you are tired of typing out long documents or emails, or you need to type out a long speech from an audio or video file, then you can get it done in this way with the use of a voice typing tool. Voice typing is a powerful tool that allows you to speak your words and have them transcribed into text in real time. It's accurate, fast, and easy to use. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to save time, voice typing can be incredibly useful to you. So follow me along in this video where I will show you the step-by-step process to use voice typing tool, so that you will also be able to transcribe text from a video or audio file. So the first thing in this process is to disable the microphone and enable the stereo mixer, otherwise it will not work. I have noticed that leaving the microphone enabled doesn't pick up the sound being played on your PC or laptop, while it picks up your own voice. So to disable the microphone, you need to go to the sound settings. It can be easily accessed by right-clicking the mouse button on the sound icon. Then clicking on the sounds will lead you to the sound setting. Another way to access it is from the control panel. Now before we proceed further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel, as it would really help a lot. Now in this page, click on the category, then click on Show Large Icons and click on Sound, which will open the required sound setting. Then click on Recording. Here you can see that the microphone is my default device. Then right-click on the empty space and select the Show Disabled Devices, which will show you the stereo mix. Then disable your microphone by right-clicking on the microphone icon and selecting Disable. Then enable stereo mix by right-clicking the stereo mix icon and then clicking on Enable. Then click OK. Then open your Chrome browser and search for Google Doc. Then click on this Google Doc website, then click on Go to Google Doc, which will open a page like this. However, if you have not signed into your Google account, then you will see a page like this where you will be required to sign in, which you can do with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you need to create an account to sign in. In this page, click here to Start a new document. I will place this sheet on one side so that I will be able to open a video to show you the voice typing process. Then I will open one of my YouTube videos. After this, go to the Google Doc page and click on Tools. Then click on Voice Typing. Then from here you can select the language. As my video is in English, I will make no changes. Then play the video and click on the microphone icon to get the voice typing started. You can see that it works perfectly, and in this way you can type anything from a speech being played or a poem being recited or a story being told from an audio or video file. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel.